Well, first part of a project I've been working on for a little bit. I'm not going to say this looks like some of the things like goose gear that you can buy. Basically made a rear plate for the Jeep. I am intending to cut this out further for the door access here. But right now, this is what's going in. I've just drilled holes as well for my fridge slide, which I'm going to put in a moment. The unit's gotten in there really well, nice and secure. So next step is installing the fridge slide, like I said. The fridge slide has been mounted. It's in there nice and secure. The latch is over here on the side. It's basically pushed down and it comes out. It's a nice secure platform for that. So my Set Power fridge is now mounted in there. Got it strapped down front and back. Turn the lid around so I can open it up and have it by my working area when I'm cooking at night. So that's all set. Next thing I'm going to just figure out is where I want to put my one power pack, my battery pack, because I'm going to plug it into here, but I can run the cord to the 12 volt there when I'm driving. Probably going to try that out, just see how it works. I'm not sure if that's going to be a strong enough socket to power the fridge when the car isn't running. But I'm going to take a look at that and see what I find out. So, interesting side note, I plugged in the cable and used a power adapter to the 12 volt in my Jeep. I tried it with both just the key and ignition turned on and also the car powered on. So either I have a bad outlet here or something's disconnected or I have a bad fuse, which I'm going to have to check on later because I wasn't getting any power to the unit at all. I did bring out my Blue Yeti just to double check that something hadn't happened to the fridge, and sure enough, as soon as I plugged that in, it was fine. So a little troubleshooting I'm going to have to do. My cooking setup is completed. My Outback table, which I installed last spring, of course, is in here. But now put a rear deck system in that I made and put my Set Power fridge now in the Jeep on a slide, which I'll leave a link for in Amazon. So that is now set up. Well, thank you for watching today. I hope you found this information a little bit useful. There's a lot of people out there who have put really detailed instructions on how to mount a deck system into their Jeep. And no way am I saying that things like the goose gear system and that are not useful. They definitely would be something that I'd look into if I was doing this more full time. But as of right now, I just needed something to mount my fridge in and maybe a couple other things. And so for me, the deck system I put together is an option right now. Cost-wise, it was pretty reasonable. I still have wood left over that I might build a drawer for this as well. But between the fridge and that, the most costly item I put in this for cooking considerations is probably my Outback table on the tailgate of the Jeep, which I think was a worthwhile investment because I will use it. I'll use it in many categories, including maybe being just in general office use if I'm on the road. So again, I hope you find this useful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Look forward to sharing more with you in the future. And you have an awesome day and good times on the trail. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.